This video will give you detailed instructions on how to use Sight Reading Factory to practice sight reading at home. After logging into your account, select Start Sight Reading. This screen will ask you to select the instrument or voice part that applies to you, or you can select rhythm only. The next screen will ask you to choose the level of difficulty that best applies to your playing ability. If you put your mouse over each level, on the right-hand side, you will see the notes and rests added to each level to make it increase in difficulty. We're going to go ahead and select level 1. This screen asks you to select the time signature for your sight reading examples. Make sure that multi-select is on and select the time signatures that you want to include in your practice session. There are two modes for our practicing. We can use free play or challenge. Free play gives you unlimited time for each example, whereas challenge mode gives you a set amount of time before the recording begins. Let's select free play. The first example has loaded, but we're going to look at the settings at the top before we begin. In the upper right-hand corner, you can click the gear to make the notes larger or smaller, depending on what view is best for you. We can also adjust the number of measures in each example. For now, let's change this to 4. Advanced students might want to add subdivisions or measure numbers, but for now we're going to leave this unchecked. Let's exit out and hit next so that our settings can be applied. Now you'll notice our examples only have 4 measures for each practice example. Here we have options to adjust our tempo. Right now, our metronome marking is set to quarter note equals 100. This icon here, which is actually an old school metronome icon, if you select it, will play the tempo that has been set. You can adjust the tempo to be faster or slower, depending on what you would like. The 2 buttons in the middle have a playback option, as well as a play options button. We're going to go ahead and select play options. Synth audio gives you an actual tone that sounds like a keyboard that will play the correct rhythm or the correct notes if you are playing with notes in your sight reading example. Let's go ahead and select that. We're also going to select cursor and click out. When we click play, we will hear prep beats before we begin, and then the sight reading example will begin. And let's stop it right there. So you'll notice that you should have seen a red cursor moving along with the notes as the rhythm example went on. We also heard a keyboard sound that was playing the correct rhythm that you see on the page. Let's look at it again. And stop. If we want to load a new example, we can hit next. Say we've practiced and we're ready for challenge mode. If you select the rhythm only button at the top, it will bring you back to the previous screen and allow you to select challenge mode. On this screen, you have the opportunity to change the time before your example, as well as add or take away different features for our recording. For now, we're going to leave metronome on and record on, and click begin. All of our same settings are available in the upper right-hand corner, but in the middle, instead of a play button, you will see a live countdown and the number of prep beats that you will see before the recording begins. When you feel like you're ready to go, you will select ready and the recording will begin. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. When I hit play, you will hear what we just recorded. Now, you may have noticed the large red error screen at the top, and if you were listening to the playback recording, you would have noticed that my clapping wasn't quite with the metronome. This is because sometimes Sight Reading Factory has a difficult time syncing the recording when it cannot hear the synth audio, metronome, or cursor. To change this feature, you want to select the play options and uncheck synth audio and cursor. If we retry our recording and hit start, we will try it again. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Then we will play our example again. This example was much cleaner. If you want to try a new example, you can go ahead and select next, and a new timer will begin. If you feel like you would like to try different components of practicing for sight reading, go ahead and select the red button at the upper left-hand corner, and you can start over again from here. For those of you that are looking for sight reading with your instruments, you can do the same sort of features. Select your instrument, level, time signatures, and then this one also gives you suggested key signatures. You have the option to do all or major. I recommend selecting the key signatures that are suggested and clicking next. Now you are able to practice sight reading with notes.